Good day, sir. I am Lorenz Hijastro from BSA-2B, and I'm here to explain my output about climate change. But first, I'll explain what is climate change. Climate change is a global modification of the climate over a long period of time, from decades to millions of years. These changes can occur both regionally and globally. By climate change, we mean the increase of temperature from the middle of the 20th century to the present day. Even if climate change can also have natural causes, it is largely related to human activity and greenhouse gases. Burning fossil fuels, cutting down forests, and farming livestock are increasingly influencing the climate and the Earth's temperature. This adds enormous amounts of greenhouse gases to those naturally occurring in the atmosphere, increasing the greenhouse effect and global warming. The ocean level is rising, glaciers are melting, CO2 in the air is increasing, forests and wildlife are declining, and water life is also getting disturbed due to climatic changes. Apart from that, it is calculated that if this change keeps on going, then many species of plants and animals will get extinct. The, the potential future effects of global change include more frequent wildfires, longer periods of drought in some regions, an increase in the duration and intensity of tropical storms, rising sea levels, and higher ocean temperatures. What is the effects of climate change? First is global warming. The main effect of climate change is, of course, global warming. With an increasingly rapid growth of the planet's temperature due to human activities such as deforestation, intensive agriculture, mining, and overconsumption. Second is air pollution. The main greenhouse gas is not counted as an air pollutant because it does not appear to affect health. However, there are links between climate change and global warming, such as the atmospheric concentration of some pollutants in the air. Third is water pollution. Water pollution and climate change are closely linked, both in rivers, seas, and oceans. This pollution manifests itself through changes in the flows of the various rivers, the increase in temperature, and the pollutants concentration in the water. Fourth is land pollution. The soil is equally hard hit by climate change. Human activity is significantly changing the climate and the nature of soils, which are both very fragile and most of the time overexploited. As you have seen in my output, sir, the right side has the effects of climate change. The land is dry and other parts of the land is burning because of the wildfires. And the air pollution caused by the different companies and the air pollution caused by fabric pollution. The trees are dry, no leaves, and the earth is warming. And the earth is melting due to global warming. The ice is melting and the land was no food and no trees for the animals to survive. It is all because of global warming and air pollution, water pollution. In the left side, as you can see, sir, it is so clean and beautiful. It is so peaceful because it has no effects of climate change. My output, sir, has two parts. It is the part that has no effect of climate change and the part that has the effect of climate change. Let's proceed to how climate change is threatening our ecosystem. Climate is an important environmental influence on ecosystems. Changing climate affects ecosystem in a variety of ways. For instance, warming may force species to migrate to higher latitudes or higher elevations where temperatures are more conducive to their survival. Similarly, as sea level rises, saltwater intrusion into a freshwater system may force some key species to relocate or die, thus removing predators or prey that are critical in the existing food chain. Climate change not only affects ecosystems and species directly, it also interacts with other human stressors such as development. Although some stressors cause only minor impacts when acting alone, their cumulative impact may lead to dramatic ecological changes. For instance, climate change may exacerbate, exacerbate the stress that land development places on the fragile coastal areas. Additionally, recently logged forested areas may become vulnerable to erosion if climate change leads to increases in heavy rainstorms. Our climate change is warming. Our climate is warming, which is changing the physical environments that support living systems. In the ocean, water temperatures are rising and becoming more acidic. On land, temperatures are rising as well, and soil health, freshwater quality are declining. In many places, environments are changing so fast that plants and animals cannot keep up, endangering entire ecosystem. It is related also in my output, sir, because uh, as you can see, the ecosystem is burning, and because of global warming, the land temperature are rising. That causes the land to dry, and some trees are dead and no lives because of the global warming, because of land heating. How can I fight against climate change? First is reduce emissions. Second, renewable energies. Third, save energy. Fourth, make demands from the government. Fifth, act against forest loss. Sixth is air pollution prevention. Seventh, waste management and recycling. Nine, eight, sea and ocean preservation. And the last one is spread the word. Encourage your friends, family, and coworkers to reduce their carbon pollution. That's all, sir. Thank you.